Okay, here we are at the end of the range. And I have two cameras recording. Paul setting up the 100-meter range for some few guests arriving. Anyway, thank you din kay Paul kasi siya yung spotter, and then he was the one holding the camera or the phone sa spotting scope kasi I forgot the cell phone holder. So hindi kung wala siya, hindi na record yung 200-meter shot. Okay, so kung makita nyo sa earlier video, yung last ko na tinira yung mga IPSC, and I was missing these guys kasi nag-change yung hangin. Actually it's around 8:08 na, so wind is actually picking up. Hindi nyo makita sa grass, pero sa just above yun, sa mga banana trees, wind is picking up. So more or less I was shooting 3 MOA, but 3 MOA yung wind. So I was aiming for this one. Ito yung yung mga hits. So we will try to see the hits. Yun. Maliliit lang, hindi mo na talaga makikita. So okay, so ito yung confirmation plate ko kanina. So safe to say at 200, no, this is a 12-inch gong. At 200, ito yung mga groupings ko. Hindi ito sorted na pellets, so I understand na ganito siya kalaki. Pero as you can see, kung ako lang, I have ito yung sa ilalim. It's either makukuha ito sa sorting, or maybe it's just the wind pushing the pellets downwards ng kaunti. So it's about what? Siguro 3, it's about 6 inches na grouping, more or less. Okay, 3 then 3, so more or less mga 3 inches. Yan, ito yung farthest. Okay, ito when nung mga first 2 shots ko sa beginning, when I was zeroing, ito yung first 2 shots, and then na center ko na siya, and then ito na yung grouping niya. So I was really confident na may hit ko yung golf ball at 200 kasi ito hangin lang eh. So I know ito actually is siguro mga 200, hindi, mga sobra ng 1 MOA yung aiming ko, kasi this is 4 inches more or less. So you shoot as you go, kung ano yung feeling mo sa hangin. So kagaya nito, if a golf ball can fit here, di ba? So, dito more or less, at least, so you have a pretty good chance to hit the target at 200 as long as you have the velocity and a good pellets, at saka yung may spatter ka rin, para at least may kaunting help, if you have, okay, wind is picking up right now. If you have a spatter, medyo mas madali yung makita yung hindi mo makita ang spatter, so you can correct your aiming, ba? So sa ganitong range, so but if you're shooting less than that, wala naman problema. Okay, so that's it, and let's go back to the golf ball, and yun, sa pool, as in dead center. Ito yung tinatawag na center. Ayan, very good, very good. Okay, again, I would like to thank Mr. Nico Lopez for letting me use the range and giving me one golf ball to shoot. Thank you. At saka shout out din, greetings din to all the air gunners all over the Philippines. You know, Dino, kina Richard, Joel Gatsidjan, Chris of Alpha, of Air Power Engineering. Happy New Year to all. Happy New Year. Sa mga Cebu shooters, sa mga long range shooters, Arnel Tolentino, sino ba? Virilio, yun, Virilio Peralta, Peradilla. And malat ba? Si Mirjun, yun, mga long ranger. Ricky, Don Tamad, Juan Tamad. Sino ba? 1 mil dot down. Renan, Happy New Year sa inyo. Airgun Hunters, Happy New Year din. So this is my last long range shoot 2020. I hope we have a better year next year 2021 for all the air gunners and everybody. Sige po. So I'll see you on my next video. Salamat.